In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make $1,400 or more a day simply by reselling digital products in the e-learning industry that you don't even have to create yourself, working just 2 hours around your schedule. So if you're new here, my name is Dan. I'm from Michigan. I used to be a monk, and now I help people make money online in the digital marketing space so they can live a life of freedom. And I discovered this business because I was sick and tired of being overworked and underpaid. My company cut my pay in half. So I went online to figure out how to make money, and that's when I discovered this business, and I've made multiple 5 figures with this business, thousands of dollars. So I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. So if you want to get started with this business, all you need is Wi-Fi, your phone, and 2 hours a day in social media. Then you just got to get started. You got to set up your business, which you can set up in like 1 to 2 days. You plug into our community, introduce yourself. Inside of our community, that's where you get all the training, you get the mentoring, you get the support. You get daily millionaire mentoring, you get live interactive mentoring from 6 and 7-figure income earners to help you build your business, okay? And then once your business is set up, basically you're just following a 2-hour workday. So we teach a 2-hour workday, how to get your business activities finished in 2 hours a day, how to finish your income earning activities, doing simple things like posting 3 pieces of content a day, going live and copying and pasting free ads on high traffic websites to attract customers to you. So we teach attraction marketing, so you don't have to pay for ads, you don't have to bother your friends and family, and you don't have to cold message strangers. You don't need any tech skills, you don't need a following, and you don't need any experience to do this, okay? So if you want to learn more about this, just go to the link in my bio, 7figuremonk.com, put in your email, check your folders for the word blueprint. There's 2 videos you can watch. There's a PDF. It shows you how to make your first 10K online with digital marketing. And yeah, just read through the website. And if you have any questions, all you got to do is reply to my emails, okay? So now let me share my screen so I can show you exactly how this business works. Let me share my screen real fast. Right, I'm going to show you how this business works, and I'm going to show you like how to post free ads and like what I do to post content, just to give you some ideas. And I'll show you inside of the community as well. So let me share my screen. So here is, okay, this is the sales funnel. Now, this is an all-in-one business in a box, so you don't have to create anything. So we give you a sales funnel that looks like this, okay? We give you access to our community, and then you get all this stuff. So basically, when you start this business, your sales funnel is going to look like this. This is your digital storefront. You're just sending people to your link, and then they're going here to your capture page, okay? So what you're doing is you're capturing people's emails. They're going to go here, they're going to put their email in. You're building your email list. And then they're going to go through, they're going to watch this video. Now, you're selling products, but you're not the one doing the selling. Your sales funnel is doing the selling for you. So they're going to watch this video from my friend and mentor, Michelle. She's one of the millionaire mentors inside of our community. Okay, she's made $10 million in 3 years with digital marketing, so she knows what she's talking about. So this millionaire is doing the selling for you. And then there's these testimonials, wins from our community are also on your sales page, okay? So the wins and the video are doing the selling for you. And then there's another video that we send out inside of people's emails. So these 2 videos are answering 99% of questions for you and doing all the selling, okay? Then you can see like there's a button here. So if someone clicks on this, it will take them right here to the website, right? And look, so people are starting here, and then they're going to go here to your website, your digital storefront. And this is what we sell, these digital programs. So there's 10 different programs. Well, there's 5 in English and 5 in Spanish. So you get 10 income streams, right? So this business is in English and it's also in Spanish. Like, look, if I click on this, it takes them to my Spanish website. And if I click on this, it takes them back to my English website. So you can earn $100, $300, $600, $900, and $1,400 reselling these programs. So these are educational programs. They teach you how to make 7 figures online, how to build multiple streams of income, digital marketing, training, things like that. Okay. So yeah, this is the website, and they can go here and they can purchase one of the products, right? And then as soon as they buy, you get paid instantly through your payment processor like PayPal, Stripe, Square, okay? And we show you how to set all of this up. So how would an extra $1,400 per day change your life? Now think about that. Let's do the math. $1,400 a day, that's $42,000 a month and over $500,000 a year. Now, disclaimer, I'm not saying this is not a get rich quick scheme. Results aren't typical. Everything's based on your effort. So don't be typical, right? So that's that. So imagine though, if you made $500,000 a year, what would your life look like? What kind of life would you be able to live? It'd be pretty awesome, right? It'd be pretty exciting. I think so. You got to focus on what you want. Don't focus on what you don't want. Okay. That's called manifestation. So here's what the website looks like. You can go to sevenfiguremonk.com and check it out. See, this is what sets us apart from other business models out there is we earn 100% profit. Plus you get certification training. Okay, there's certification training. So you become a licensed reseller of these programs, right? And now our business is in Spanish. So there's 42 million people in the US that speak Spanish at home. That's 42 potential customers, 42 million potential customers out there. Okay. It's the second most spoken language in the world, right? The US is projected to have 138 million Spanish speakers, making it the largest Spanish speaking country in the world. So that's pretty cool. We teach you how to use AI tools for building your business. Here's some testimonies from our community. Here's your, like this part, you just got to put your picture in, and here's your bio. Okay. So this is perfect for you if you want to make some extra income from home, but you don't know where to start. Your 9-to-5 job doesn't provide financial security and you need a better way. You're tired of trading your time for money and want income that works even when you're not. You want a proven system so you can skip the trial and error phase. Retirement is around the corner and you need a reliable income stream. You're ready to create financial peace of mind without relying on a boss or a paycheck, okay? So this is a proven process of reselling other people's products. So many businesses resell other people's products and they make a lot of money doing it. So you don't have to create your own product, okay? Why is this model, this master resale rights, 100% profit? Why is it better than other business models? Because you earn 100% profit, right? Like affiliate marketing and multi-level marketing, you earn tiny commissions and you don't get to keep 100% profit. You don't have to create anything. Everything's created for you. There's no inventory. There's no shipping, okay? There's no headaches, right? So that's why this is better than the other opportunities out there. There's no monthly fees. So here's the website. So people can purchase the 1400, the 900, the 600, the 300, or the 100. And also, if you want to get started with this business, all you have to do is purchase one of the programs, the 100, the 300, the 900, or the 1400. If you get the 1400, then you get 10 income streams. If you get the 900, you get 4 income streams. Okay. 600, you get 3, 300, you get 2, 100, you get 1. You can start at a lower level and upgrade later. And there's also installment plans for you or your customer. So if you want to get started, you just purchase one of the programs. One-time investment, 1 sale, you get your investment back. 2 sales, your business is in profit. You also get these bonuses. You get access to our community for free, where we have live coaching calls. Okay. You get access to, you get to learn how to create your own community and how to monetize. You can have a crash course for creating content. You get my first million in 17 months blueprint. You get a 30-day market strategy PDF growth plan, your invisible empire faceless marketing, 200 digital product ideas for creating your own products. Okay. So that's basically the website. Check it out at sevenfiguremonk.com, right? So these pages are out there working for you 24/7. This is how you make money in your sleep, okay? So let's say you decide to start this program, you purchase one of the programs, you pay your website fee, and then you're gonna have access to your program, which will be here. So you view all my programs, right? All your programs are here. You have access to your programs here, okay? So in Spanish and in English. So you just gotta go through your program, right? You just go through the program, start here. It's a recipe and it teaches you how to make 7 figures. The program itself teaches you how to make 7 figures online, okay? And then one of the first things you got to do is you got to set up your website, okay? So go to website setup, right? Set up in English or in Spanish. So you got to go to GoDaddy, okay? You got to get your own domain. Like my domain is sevenfiguremonk.com. You get your own email address. You attach your payment gateways. What you're doing is setting up these pages. That's what you're setting up. And you can set it up in 1 to 2 days. We also have a community. Oh, where'd I go? We also have like tech support inside of our community. They'll set it up for you if you don't want to set it up yourself. So basically you just watch these videos and you connect everything, get these pages all set up and ready to go. Okay. That's what you got to do. That is it. And then, oh, what do I do here? Yeah. See, this capture page is even English, Spanish. Okay. So after you set up your system, then your business is ready to go. And then you just go through the program, right? You just go through your training program over time. And also you go inside of the community. So here, let me show you the community, right? So as a bonus, you get access to our community. We have 56,000 people in our community. We have, check out the pin posts. Like you can invite people to these webinars. We have free webinars that you can invite people to. And these webinars are doing the selling for you. Our next webinar is how to make extra cash for the holidays. using this simple digital marketing strategy. Okay. So let me go, like, once you get inside the community, you can introduce yourself here. You post your wins, ask questions. Let's go to the wins. Let me show you proof that people are making money by reselling these programs. I'll show you real-time proof. Okay. So check it out. Let's see a real win in real time. Okay, look. Yay, $200 this morning. I can't believe it. It's coming now after I made my first sale. Okay, so she made $200. Look, $300 and times 2 in one day. So she made $600, guys. I can't believe this. I almost gave up again. She almost gave up, but she didn't give up. And she made $600 in one day. Never give up, guys. Never give up. Don't quit. Quitters never win, and winners never quit. Okay. Another $300 sale this morning while I was at work. So you can build this business around your life. Okay. And look at everyone's like, awesome. Congrats. Congrats. Everyone supports each other. We have a very positive community here. Very positive community, guys. And everyone here is just, you know, we all have the same purpose. We want to get rich and we want to help other people get rich. Okay. We want to live a life of freedom, or at least I do. I mean, I don't know. I can't speak for everybody. That's my purpose, to get rich and help other people get rich. That's my purpose. Because what you want for yourself, you should want for others as well. So like if you go into the classroom, we have more training here too. So we got mindset training, we got social media training, we got a content vault, we got 6 figures in 6 months. We got all this. We got a 90-day run. We show you how to make 30K in 90 days. This is all the stuff that you're going to get as a bonus. And then if you go into our calendar, this shows you when we have live events. Tomorrow we have a social media Q&A. We have our free webinar coming up. We have millionaire mentoring every Monday. Okay. So like I said, if you want to get started, you purchase a program and then you plug into the community and then you're following the 2-hour workday, posting content, going live, or posting free ads. So I'm going to show you how to post free ads. And I'm going to show you like my content just to give you some examples of how I build this business personally. Okay, let's go post free ads. Now there's these different, like we teach you how to post free ads. So there's different websites you can go to and you can post ads for free. Look, see, I can post ads all over the world, right? I'll go to America because I'm American. I'll go to Michigan. I'll go to Ann Arbor because that's where I live. I'm from Ann Arbor, right? Now I can post ads for anything, but I'm promoting my business. So let's go to make money. You see, they have a category for making money. People are looking for ways to make money online. And that's what we teach people. Affiliate marketing, business opportunities. I can do any of these. It doesn't matter because people just want a real way to make money. They don't care what it is, really. At the end of the day, people don't care what it is as long as it works. And this business works. Okay. I'm proof that this business works. I've made multiple 5 figures. And there's other people that have made multiple 6 figures. There's one person who's made multiple 7 figures. So this business works. We have the results. Documentation beats conversation. No one can say this business doesn't work because we have so much proof that it does. But you got to keep in mind, everyone's journey is different. So don't compare yourself to other people because everyone's journey is different, right? You got to stay in your lane. Okay. So I'm just showing you how to post these. I'm just basically, I just copy and paste my information. Quick copy and paste. And now I'm just filling out these little extra details. Like you don't have to, but I'm going to. Contact person, 7-figure monk, Dan. Okay. And now I just got to put a picture in. This is my ad. I'm just creating this ad. So let's go here. I got my posting ad pics. Here's one. Here's one. Which one do I like? Well, I like this one because yeah, this one works. Okay. So now I'm finished. I just posted my ad. Let me post it. See how fast that takes like a minute. You can post like 30 ads like you can post like 30 ads in 30 minutes, basically. Now let's look at my ad. What are people going to see? Okay. They're going to see the title, they're going to see the body, and look, I have my link so they can go here. Okay. They can go here. Yeah. My website's working. That's good. And then they can go here and watch my YouTube video too. On this video, I'm going to show you. So they can go, I'm building my YouTube channel as well. That's the cool thing about free ads. Okay. So I showed you the free ads. Now let me show you like, let me show you like my website. I mean, not my website. Let me show you like how I post content on social media. Okay. So look, so this is how I post content on social media to build this business. I do long form videos, which is like this video right here is a long form video. It's over 10 minutes, right? So I do my long form videos, right? And then I do my shorts. Shorts videos are like videos that are 3 minutes or less. So let me show you this short, for example. This is my digital store, right? So I'm just talking. It's like a talking video. I like to keep my talking videos around a minute or less. Okay, another talking video, talking video. And you see, I'm building it. Sometimes I'm in my room, sometimes I'm out on the beach, right? I can do this, I can build this business anywhere. Sometimes I'm walking around my neighborhood. Okay. You can literally build this business anywhere. I went to a concert. I make little 7-second videos. I put relatable words on the screen. Okay. So that's a B-roll video, another B-roll video, another B-roll video, another one, talking video. Okay. That's how I do my short form videos, right? You can use any social media platform, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, whatever. And we basically have training for every platform. Okay. And then in my lives, I go live on YouTube and I go live on TikTok. So my live is here too. My lives are recorded. And then also I can do written posts. I haven't done one lately because I've been traveling. So I got to do one. It's been a while. But here's like an ad for my business. Here's just value, nothing about my business, just value, like giving them education, motivation, entertainment, value. Okay. Marketing tips, mindset tips, value. These are all value posts, value post, value post. Another business post, value post, value post. I open myself to greater abundance. That's an affirmation you can say. Tap. I open myself to greater abundance, to greater financial abundance. Yeah. Okay, that's it. Now I showed you everything that you need to be successful. I showed you how this business works. I showed you everything. So if you have any questions, drop it in the comments. If you're ready to get started, if you're ready to learn how to make $1,400 a day, go to sevenfiguremonk.com. The link's in the bio. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with someone who needs it. If you know someone who's looking for ways to make money online, they're stressed out financially, they're overworked and underpaid, share this video with them because you can save their life. Okay. So thank you so much for watching and have a great day. God bless.